What's up, you guys? I'm super excited to show you how to create your very own drawing of a birthday cake tower. If you're new to my channel, please be sure to stick around and check out my other art videos, art tutorials, and art lessons. I have so many super fun projects on this channel, Rainbow Parrot Art. And please support me by subscribing to this channel and liking this video. For this project, I recommend orienting your paper vertically, not horizontally. I'm using 9 by 14 inch paper. I want paper that's really long and narrow so that it will accentuate the elongated shape of my birthday cake tower. I'm going to start by making a line where I want the top of my cake to be. Be sure to leave room for birthday candles. I'm going to make another line where I want the bottom of the cake to be. Next, I'm adding a line right smack in the middle of my cake tower. Now I'm going to divide the bottom half into 3 sections that are evenly spaced apart. I'm going to divide the top half into 3 evenly spaced sections as well. These lines will help guide me as I draw my cake. Be sure to use very light pencil marks when you draw these lines because you might need to erase them later. Starting on the bottom, I'm adding 2 vertical lines to create a box. Watch how I draw an oval shape. This is the plate that my cake is going to sit on. I'm adding a wavy line for the icing. I'm adding additional lines to show that there are different layers inside the cake. And now for some decorative icing and some wavy, fluffy frosting on the bottom. I'm starting the next cake off with a row of frosting pearls and then adding the 2 vertical lines on the sides. I'm adding wavy frosting on top. This cake is going to have a face, starting with 2 large eyeballs, then adding a mouth and tongue. I'm starting off cake number 3 with 2 vertical lines on the sides and some wavy frosting on top. I'm adding a ribbon-like frosting decoration in the middle. I made this cake a bit smaller and thus left room on the side for a star wand. Cake number 4 is going to have really runny, oozing frosting pouring down the sides. I'm adding a face with closed eyes and puckered lips. Cake number 5 has wavy frosting on top, a big grinning mouth, and 2 large eyeballs with eyelashes. On cake number 6, I'm adding an intricate ribbon-styled frosting decoration near the top. I'm finishing it off with some wavy frosting at the top, and then adding some birthday candles and a cherry on top. How many birthday candles do you want your cake to have? I've got room to draw one more face. This face has squinting eyes with lashes and a dainty smile. Consider adding some decorations around your cake to make it more festive. I'm adding a streamer with flags. Over on the left, I'm drawing some birthday balloons with cute faces. I'm also adding some decorative hearts and sparkles in the background. Another cute balloon here with a face, and a few more hearts. It might also be fun to add some confetti or streamers to your background. Try to think of any other party decorations that you might like to add. Use your imagination. Once you're done drawing, you're ready to add color. Notice how when I fill in the eyes using a black marker, I leave a little white circle inside the eye. This makes the eye look more lifelike. I'm using a variety of color for my frosting because I want my cake to be super colorful. You can have a lot of fun choosing the different colors for your cake. Don't forget to color in the decorations in your background. I'm leaving a little white patch on the balloons to make them look more shiny.
I'm tracing over the finer details on my cake using an ultrafine Sharpie. Tracing over the details of your drawing with an ultrafine Sharpie is worth the extra time and effort because it will make the images in your picture really pop. I hope you love how your drawing turns out. Please be sure to say hi in the comments below and check out the other super fun art lessons and art tutorials on my channel, Rainbow Parrot Art.